Hello everyone, today I will show you how to copy or duplicate a text box in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this home option, this menu bar, and click this edit option. Now click on this text box and put your mouse cursor on this text box border and click it and select. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and here you will find this copy option or press Ctrl C for your keyboard. Now press Ctrl B and this text box now pasted here and see this. Again I will copy this text box. Press Ctrl C for your keyboard and press Ctrl B and see this. In this way you can copy and paste all your text boxes for a PDF file. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.